Hey, today we have 5 Dollar Tree packs of Sun and Moon base set. We got every artwork. I like these packs because they're $1. So, yeah, you can get any card. You're not guaranteed to get anything though. In the Sun and Moon era, you get this this fake code card. This card that has nothing on it. The Sword and Shield era doesn't have those anymore, which is nice. So if you do get a good card, it's going to be the middle card. So the card trick is just one card. Timer Ball, Stuffle, ooh, Yungoos. You're not even guaranteed a reverse, but it's nice to have one. These are fun when you're just out and about and want something cheap and simple. Persimmon, Lillipup, Cosmog. So I really, once again, Sun and Moon, I really want the secret rare energies. Seriously doubt I'm going to get any of those. What? We can always hope, right? Torracat, Grubbin, ooh, Cosmog, Cosmog reverse. Energy Switch, Draballer, Drowsy. Last pack. Are we going to get any magic? Any good cards? If not, I don't complain because these are fun. Great Ball, Alolan Rattata, and Golduck. Ooh, at least it's a rare. Well, not bad for Dollar Tree packs. Hey there, thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button. Let me know what you'd like me to open next. And until next time, bye.